So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download DirectX end user runtime June 2010. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. It's now going to start downloading. If the download did not start, then you want to click right here, which will then start the download for you. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And now this will come up. Now before we continue, you want to go to your desktop and you want to create a new folder. So you want to right click on your desktop and then click on new and then click on folder. You can call it anything you want to. And now we're going to go back here. You want to click on yes. Now you want to click on browse. You want to choose that folder. So for me it's on my desktop. Choose that folder and then click on OK. The folder should now appear right here. Now you want to click on OK. It's now going to extract all the files into that folder. Now once that's been done, you want to double click on the folder. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down until we find dxsetup.exe. Double click on it. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once we're on this, you want to tick the box I accept. And then click on next. And then click on next again. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to click on finish. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.